Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Parmesan roast potatoes cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. I've turned the pie maker on. I have just steamed some potatoes and I'm just going to pop those into the Family Pie Maker. These are great little silicone containers. They squash up to nothing. They're very easy to use and they'll withstand 250 degrees Celsius. To our pie maker now, we add some little dobs of butter. We're going to be turning this over from time to time anyway, so don't worry about this when it falls down the bottom. Sprinkling it with some cracked pepper and then liberally sprinkling it with Parmesan cheese. Now these potatoes are already cooked, so all we're going to do now is make a nice tasty brown crust on them. Just a couple of teaspoons, that's all you need. We're going to be tossing them around with that little spatula in a second anyway, and close the lid. Give it about 3 minutes, flip them over, another 3 minutes and they'll be ready to eat. Nice and crispy, brown and tasty as anything. Okay, we've just got a couple of little button mushrooms here. We've wiped them clean with some paper towel. We're just going to fill those little cavities with some dip. You can use any dip that you like. I'm using a sun-dried tomato and cashew dip I happen to have in the fridge. Just push it down. It'll fill up all those little flutes in the mushroom. We're only having one each because we're having our salmon Wellington and they're going to go in the pie maker when we turn it over with our vegetables. Okay, we're just going to give our little vegetables a bit of a toss over now. You can see how the Parmesan cheese is gone all sort of crusty and it's sticking to it. It's not sticking to the pie maker. Lovely flavour in there. Pop our two little mushrooms in there as well. Close the lid again. And there you have it. Cheekyricho Cooking's little Parmesan roasted potatoes in the Family Pie Maker. A gorgeous flavour. It smells amazing. And our little mushrooms are cooked too. Okay, we'll just take out our little stuffed mushrooms. Our tasty little cheesy roast potatoes, and we're serving that with our salmon Wellington made in the Magic Pie Maker. You might want to check that out, it's beyond stunning. And for greens we're just going to have some steamed zucchini. Alrighty, now that'll just wipe clean and it only took a matter of moments to make. There you go, a little sprinkle of fresh pepper on top of our zucchinis, and doesn't that look amazing? Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Oh, they smell so great. So great.